Welcome. In this video, I'll show you at least 2 ways to take a screenshot on someone's profile picture on WhatsApp. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first option, you can go ahead and open up a web browser from your computer if you do have one. Okay. Open up a browser. Now go to whatsapp.com. Alright. Wait for it to load. Now you're going to want to log in and just scan it, okay, for you to be able to log in. Or if you do have the WhatsApp app from your computer, just like this one. All right, so for example, I'm going to take a screenshot of this specific person. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on his or her profile. Now here we have it. You can view the photo right here, just like so. Right click, copy the image, open up Paint, paste that in here. And here we have it. Or the other option, you can go ahead and open up the snipping tool of your computer or use the keyboard shortcut to take a screenshot. You can go ahead and do that as well. Just like so. Save it wherever you want. All right. Now the other option, if you have multiple phones, okay, you can just go ahead and open up the person's profile, use the other phone to take a photo. All right, that is by far the easiest one. So those are the ways to take a screenshot on someone's profile picture on WhatsApp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.